Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Lexus IS300 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So our tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. Well, that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Okay, so before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the lens. So we want a clean surface before we do the actual installation. So just apply a slip solution onto the lens and use a clean microfiber towel to remove any contaminants that the lens might have. Now we can move on with the installation. So just apply slip solution to the headlight and slip solution to the tint. And we're going to start off by aligning the film right to this edge first and just lay it here on the headlight because our main focus will be on this section first. So align it right on the edge. Once you have it aligned, lift the film. Just be careful not to move it out of place and apply tack solution. That way we can start tacking the film to this section of the headlight. Hold it in position and squeegee lightly. And once the film starts tacking down, then you can start squeegeeing more harder. So it would be easier to work on the flatter surface first. So all you need to do is just tack down this whole flat surface. So that way the tint doesn't move afterwards while we're aligning the rest of the film. Okay, and now start bringing down the tint on this section. If you do need help tacking it down, you could lift the film just a bit, not too much where we already tacked down, and apply tack solution underneath the film. And just help it form and make sure you still have it aligned roughly around there and tack it down. And now that we have most of it secured, now we can move on with the rest of the installation here and finish tacking it down. So now we proceed to finishing the installation here. So make sure when you are stretching the film to meet to the edge here, you still have the film aligned to the headlight design. So make sure you're following this design here and also stretching it to meet the edge here, and it's still aligned. So align this section while you have this secured here. Apply tack solution so you can tack it down. And now that we have this section secured and we know it's not going to move anymore, now we can continue on with this section here. So just finish off by stretching the film right to the edge and make sure it's still aligned. So roughly around there, and just tack it down. Okay, and then the next thing to do once you finish installing the film, you are going to notice you have small fingers across the headlight and the film might be picking up. In order to help the film tack down and remove any fingers, we're just going to apply tack solution wherever we see those fingers lifting, and then with heat to bring them down. So just apply tack solution, and then with our heat gun and a microfiber towel and also your squeegee, just go all around and tack every single finger down. Okay, so once you finish with the whole installation, the last thing to do is just pulse heating all around the film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it stays more secure to the headlight. So just apply tack solution all around the film, especially more on the edges. And then with the heat gun and your microfiber towel, just go all around and start helping the film seal to the headlight. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Lexus IS300. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.